How to remove tax proof from H&R Block cart. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now, navigate to the website of HR Block. Once you're in the website, now scroll all the way down. At the bottom, you're going to find this section of Need Support. Click on the option Customer Help. At the moment, you are not able to remove tax proof from H&R Block cart by yourself, but you can ask H&R Block customer support team. Here you're going to find different option. With these, you can contact H&R Block customer support and then ask them to remove or delete your tax proof from H&R Block cart. You can use these phone number and call them, or you can visit your nearest office or schedule an appointment. After you contact them, you can request them to remove or delete the tax proof from your H&R Block card, and with that, you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.